Hi everybody, welcome to this box break number 23rd. That's for last box break. So I'm so sorry for everyone, but we don't make any money with that, so we lose money. So it will be the last one. That's the last team winning. That's the Winnipeg Jets. That's yesterday, 21-12. So we will go now with the box break. You have here the serial number. Sorry for the quality of the camera, I don't have mine, so I go with what I have. So we'll go now. Checklist, and we have the 4-pack. So we will go with the first one. We have a base card for New Jersey, base card for Boston. Oh, wow. We have a rookie silhouette signature for Nashville, Jonathan Blum. Serial 93 of 99. Nice hit for Nashville. We have Steve Heiserman. And we have for Philadelphia, Brennan Chan. Second pack. We have a base card, Cam Ward. Base card, Ryan Getzlaf. For Nashville again, we have a jersey of Jonathan Blum. No serial on it. We have a red one of Paul Bissonnette for Phoenix Coyotes. And we have a base one of it's Eric Stahl. Third pack, we have base card, Capitals. Base card, Carey Price. Oh, we have a redemption card. We'll see right after. Lords of the NHL, Tim Thomas. And a base card for Red Wings. Last pack, we have a base card, San Jose. Base card, Calgary. Jersey, Hall of the King's Man, Marc-Andre Fleury for Pittsburgh Penguins. Oh, no serial. Base card, San Jose, and a base card, Ottawa. So we'll see the redemption card. It's a big winner. It's a rookie royalty signature number 157. So we'll see the checklist. Our rookie royalty signature 157. Devante Smith-Pelly. Devante Smith-Pelly. Let's see which team have it. Devante Smith-Pelly. Just want to be sure. It's for the Anaheim Ducks. So again, it's 157 rookie royalty signature. So congratulations to everyone, and have a nice day. Bye.